The Unaccompanied Alien Children Program is managed by the Office of Refugee Resettlement, or ORR, which is within HHS's Administration for Children and Families. The program provides temporary shelter, care, and other related services to unaccompanied children in its custody. This includes children who are separated from their parents or legal guardians at the border by immigration officials under the Zero Tolerance policy. In August 2018, OIG started a national review to examine challenges faced by ORR-funded facilities. The agency looked at the facility's efforts to protect unaccompanied children in their care and to provide needed physical and mental health services. OIG is releasing multiple reports in 2019 that detail findings from this national review.
In our first review, we sought to clarify the number of separated children who had been transferred into ORR's care, and also to understand any uncertainty around the number of children or the time frame for those separations. The key takeaway is that the total number of separated children that entered ORR's care really is not known.
In 2017, prior to the Zero Tolerance policy, ORR staff noticed an influx of children in its care. At that time, the agency was not tracking separated children in a way that could definitively count or identify the children. In June 2018, a court stopped the federal government from separating families, except in limited circumstances, and required ORR to count the number of separated children in its custody.
We do know that HHS has reported 2,816 children to the court as part of a lawsuit that covers a subset of separated children. But we also know that thousands of children were separated in 2017 and 2018 before the court order that required HHS to count these children. And we also know that at least 118 children were separated and referred to care after the court order.
Although the total number of separated children is unknown, OIG officials stressed the importance of ensuring that policymakers and other stakeholders have accurate information about the UAC program.
I think it's important, partly just as an issue of transparency, so that people know how these policies have impacted children and how many children have entered these programs.
In a separate review, OIG is examining challenges that ORR-funded facilities have faced in reunifying separated children.
The second report primarily retroactively looks at the challenges that were encountered, but we also try to understand the reasons for those challenges and make recommendations for program improvement moving forward.